Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can create app folders on your Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. Maybe you want to go ahead and organize your phone a bit. So first of all, when we go to our menu, we can get apps from our menu to our home screen. Just press and hold, move it around, and then it jumps to our home screen automatically. We are already halfway through here now, so we say cancel and we're back on our home screen. To create folders now, we want to press and hold one app, move it around, and then just drop it above another app, and then we have that little circle here, and we can now move that folder around as well. Drop it wherever we want it to be, and then we can also edit the name, for example, and we can also go ahead and drop other apps in that folder. To get apps out of that, we need to press and hold again, and then just take them out. And when there is only one app left in that folder, the folder disappears by itself. So that is how you can go ahead and create app folders on your Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.